Graboxy is built to continuously protect your users by monitoring activity, enforcing security policies, and stopping threats before they can cause harm. In this video, we'll introduce you to the Graboxy Control Center, the core interface of Cursor Insight's cybersecurity platform. You'll get a guided tour of its key features, see how it detects and prevents fraud in real time, and learn how it integrates seamlessly into your security operations. The overview dashboard gives you a real-time view of data streams and key fraud detection metrics, all at a glance. At the top, you'll see the number of live users currently active on your platform. On the left, there's a heat map visualizing the daily average risk score across your user base. On the right, you'll find a list of top offenders. These may include recurring threats, such as users compromised by remote access tools or devices generating suspicious traffic patterns. At the bottom left, the dashboard displays the connection status of all integrations. On the bottom right, it highlights the most recent fraudulent events detected by the system. The navigation menu on the left provides access to both core features and optional advanced modules, which can be enabled based on your specific use cases and security goals. In the Data Streams section, you can explore live user sessions in detail, including their current security status. For example, this user has completed password verification, two-factor authentication, device confirmation, and biometric verification. In our case, the biometric layer is based on continuous cursor movement authentication. Graboxy can detect remote access tools such as AnyDesk. When one is identified, the session is immediately flagged. While this user's session appears safe, another has been flagged due to a detected remote access takeover. At the bottom of the page, you can view and manage all your data streams. You can also track their type and monitor how smoothly each is operating. In the Integration section, you can connect Graboxy to your data sources and services, including popular tools like Slack and Elasticsearch. Fraudulent events are recorded in two ways: automatically, when a predefined rule is triggered, or manually, when a suspicious incident is identified outside the system. This feedback loop helps train the AI, improving detection accuracy and refining rules over time. Detailed information is available for each fraudulent event, including risk score analysis, login attempts, previous locations, entity details, and a full activity timeline. The Analytics page allows you to visualize and analyze key fraud detection metrics. While the built-in dashboard provides a basic overview, more advanced insights and visualizations are available through Grafana. If you need support, the Documentation section shows you how to integrate and use Graboxy, including setup guides, an API reference, SDKs for major languages, and sample implementations. Now let's explore the advanced fraud detection features. At the heart of this is the rule engine, a flexible system that lets you define actions based on behavioral and technical signals, filter out malicious activity, and respond to threats in real time. Use the Visual Builder or upload JSON rules and test them in simulation mode before deploying to production. This allows you to evaluate the scope and potential impact of each rule. We also support typing-based authentication, provided through a trusted third-party partner that analyzes keystroke patterns for identity verification. The Session Replay page gives you a detailed view of user behavior. You can rewatch suspicious sessions with built-in privacy protection to safeguard sensitive information. The device fingerprinting module persistently recognizes devices and correlates them with users and events. This page displays trusted devices for each user and flags any shared or unrecognized ones. You can view detailed information such as operating system, browser, and screen resolution. A relationship graph also visualizes associations between devices and users. Real-time access control lets you interrupt or block risky sessions before any damage occurs. On this tab, you can view session traffic per second, along with associated risk classifications. You can trigger two-factor authentication to ensure session validity and detect potential hijacking attempts. The system is fully customizable to your needs, and an SDK is available for easy integration. You can also define rules here, such as blocking high-risk countries or requiring multi-factor authentication for new devices. For financial clients, we offer a transfer decision tree to help determine whether a transaction should be approved. For demonstration purposes, the logic is simplified. Low-value transactions are automatically approved. For high-risk or higher-value transactions, the system checks the user's history to see if similar transfers have occurred. If a match is found, the transfer is approved. If no history exists, the system initiates step-up authentication, such as an additional 2FA step or phone confirmation. Once verified, the transaction proceeds. Integration mode allows merchants to begin in log-only mode, observing events that would have been blocked before moving to enforcement. Graboxy supports phased deployment and A/B testing. Initially, activity is logged without enforcing actions like user lockouts. During rollout, you can estimate the number of users and the amount of traffic that would be affected. You can also assess the false positive rate to ensure that legitimate users aren't disrupted by stricter policies. The user breakdown page gives you a comprehensive view of each user, including continuous tracking of their confidence score over time. You can review factors that contribute to their risk assessment, such as login history, transaction behavior, and recorded risk events. The page also shows the user's verification methods and their status, such as email, phone, ID document, and facial recognition. The data analysis section helps you investigate why a fraudulent session may not have been flagged by existing rules and how to prevent similar incidents in the future. You can examine the session timeline, user activity, the device fingerprint, and session details. You can also review similar cases to identify new fraud patterns and refine your detection rules accordingly. The administration section lets you manage system settings and configurations. You can monitor system health and resource usage, securely access API keys, and review or export audit logs. Finally, the user management page allows you to manage user accounts and permissions. You can add or remove users, assign roles, and monitor their status, all in one place. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.